Hi everyone, my name is JMLisondra, and by using limited colors in my palette, I am going to teach you on how to paint this wonderful painting. And please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet.
Okay, so I am going to introduce to you first the materials that I'm going to use before we can start the painting tutorial. Okay, so I have here my pen palette. I have the titanium white, the hollow blue, the brilliant red, the medium yellow, and the raw umber. So I'm using 5 colors, guys, limited colors, because I want you to learn how to mix and get the desired colors you want. Okay, you can also use burnt sienna, guys, if you have, and also burnt umber. But if you are using burnt sienna, you need to mix it with 2 colors, which is the blue and the red, to make it dark. And otherwise, the the raw umber and the burnt umber will just have to mix it with blue to make it dark, look like black color. Okay, okay. So these are my brushes. I'll be using the number 11 nylon flat brush, long handled, number 8 nylon flat brush, long handled, number 7 nylon flat brush, short handled, and number 0 round brush for the details. You can also use a 1 double zero or triple zeros for the details. Okay, so this is my canvas. It's 10 by 12 inches. It's a 3 coats of prime white acrylic. You can also use gesso. I made it myself. And we need water to thin the paint. And also we need water spray so that we can have a wet surface for, or the wet canvas, so that we can have a better blendings. Okay, okay, that's it. So now I'm going to start the tutorial. Oh wait, guys, I'm sorry, we need pencil for the sketchings. Okay, so in this tutorial, guys, I'm going to teach you on how to paint a figure, and my subject to this is about the my subject to this about um a vendor, guys, an old lady vendor, or usually this from Thailand or something like that. They are floating vendors on the river. So we're gonna put some, if you have time, we're gonna put um some fruits like a banana or like that, in an old lady riding on the boat. Okay, so that's it. So I think I'm going to start now, and I think I'm going to do the sketching first. So here I have my pencil. You can use also other medium, guys, but I recommend pencil, guys, because uh, it's good. So first we're gonna make some circle here. This will be the head of the lady. Then this will be the hat, guys. Actually, this is a straw hat. And the head of the lady here. So we need to um we need to, what do you call this, we need to estimate first. We're gonna, where are we gonna put the subject, guys, before we're gonna start the darker, before we're gonna make the lines darker. Okay, I think I'm going to put it here, the body of the lady or the old woman. Actually, guys, it's an old woman. So I'm going to move here the head, the face. Then I'm gonna move the circle here. It's okay. It's okay, guys, if you commit more mistakes, as long as you know that you are wrong or you are mistaken in the sketching. That will be nice. At least you know on how to correct them. It's actually holding a paddle. She's actually, I'm sorry, I'm talking of a woman. So here gonna put the bananas. I'm not sure if I still can put some parts of the water. Yeah, it's just a little part of the water here. Okay, so it's time to make darken the. And also, guys, we need some eraser so that we can erase some errors or mistakes. It's okay to commit mistakes, guys, as long as you know you are wrong. That will be okay. Yeah. So I think we need a lot of time, guys, in sketching the lady. So here I'm gonna put the lady in the face here, and we need to darken it first. Actually, guys, you can start now adding the paints, but to make sure that we are doing good or correct, we need to make sure that all the proportion is okay and perfect. Or even if it's not perfect, guys, as long as the proportion is okay, that will be good. Okay. So this will be the face here, the eyebrow. Then we can paint the nose, draw the nose here. She's smiling a little. There. And the eyes, the two eyes. She's an old lady. There. That's it. Here. We're gonna put we're gonna start by doing the dress. And the body here. The shoulder, I mean. Okay, so let's put more details. And another detail here. She's wearing a checkered polo shirt, guys. There. So we're gonna paint. We're gonna draw the. I mean, the 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 arm, the right arm, and the finger here. There. If you want the traceable, guys, I'll be happy to give you the traceable if you having a hard time doing this one. There. Okay. There. And let's put the straw hat. There. If you're asking me, guys, where I get the photo, it's from Pixabay. I downloaded this from Pixabay, so it's free to use. It has a royalty-free image of photo. There. Okay. That's it. Then we're gonna draw the boat. I think I'll just paint the banana later. Okay, here. So if you are painting with me now, guys, just follow what I'm doing and just enjoy what you are learning. Okay, that's it. There. So I think I am done sketching, guys. So now I'm going to start the painting. Okay. And okay. So I think I'm gonna start now. So I think I'm going to fill the face with the colors, but I'm going to add details first on the eyes, the nose, and or some dark tones. And I'll be using a very small brush. It is the liner brush. Here, the liner brush, guys. And I'll be using the raw umber. So let's use the raw umber first to create dark tones or dark strokes. Okay, so let's paint the eyes. Okay, so let's paint the eyes first. There. Make sure guys that the eyes of your painting is on proper proportion. Then the eyebrow here. There. So what I mean if proper proportion guys, that it should be on equal or straight line here, and there should be one eye on the center to make it perfect, to make it good. And of course the nose, gonna paint the nose here, just 2 dots here. There. With a little detail, curved detail on the sides. That's it. And here we're gonna put some dark. Okay. And the lips guys, she's smiling a little, so let's make it smile. Let's make her smile. There. That's it, she's smiling. And let's paint the shape of her face. So I think this tutorial may take me some time, but I think it will be worth it. Let's put some lines here, some wrinkles there. The chin. There. Okay. And also here, we're gonna put some more. And of course, the ear on the right side. With some more detail. That's it. And here. The okay. This part will be her hair. Okay. Let's put more details there. In here. And also on the other side. That's it. Yeah. Okay, so I think I'm going to use a bigger brush, guys, for more details, but I'm going to use the bigger brush so that I can paint it faster. So I'll be using again this raw umber here. Then let's put some dark here. So as usual, guys, I am adding the dark tones first before I'm gonna put more details. Before I'm going to put the highlights. Okay, so I'm going to make some dark, more black. So I'm gonna use this raw umber with some blue here. So it is now darker. Just raw umber and to make some dark tones, and let's put some for the hair. Okay, there. So she have now some hair, and also here some dark details. I'm not sure what is it. I just follow the thing on my reference. Okay. There. About that. And I'll be mixing some brown, guys, for the skin tone and for the straw hat. So I'll be using again the raw umber with some yellow and red and white there. I'll be putting more yellow and white, more yellow there, and let's put it here. This will be the straw hat, guys. So I just have to blend this part here. There. There. I'm gonna make it a little bigger here. I think it's out of proportion. There. And also here. Okay. Let's extend here. I'll just um you just have to fill this part, guys, with this color. It's a yellowish brown. That's all you need to do on this part. Okay, so I'm mixing it with some raw umber to make it dark, and I'm gonna blend this part here. Just a little blendings here. That's it, and here. And some dark tones here. Let's put some here. It's darker brown, guys. Darker than the not the one that you use here. It's a little darker. And here. So let's blend a little here. There. Since it's still wet, so we just have to blend. Okay, that's it. About that. And I think I'm ready adding some more colors on the face. Yeah. But I need to mix another tone. So here I'm gonna use the red and the yellow and the raw umber. More yellow to balance the tone, and some white here. There. So it's a little different brown, guys. It's more reddish brown, or it's a well balanced brown. There. And it's paint the face. So let's start by adding some dark tones here on the actually, guys, it's kinda a little not so easy because the face is so small. It's hard to create details on the small objects or small yeah, something like this. There. So I am putting first the dark tones, guys, before adding the highlights. Let's put some dark here, and of course on the nose. There. And here. So if you are painting with me, guys, just follow what I'm doing. There. It's kinda hard. I'm not sure, guys, but I think I'm going to zoom in so that you can see clearly. There. So let's paint first the face. Yeah, because I am zooming into the face part. There. And let's put some eye bags. There. And on the leg, on the neck part, guys. So there should be some blue color here, blue t-shirt or undershirt. So all you have to do is just fill this part with this dark tone or dark brown. Okay. There. Next, we're going to add a lighter tone, which I'm going to add some white on the existing dark tone or brown. So just add white, guys, to lighter the value color, and let's paint it here. There. Touch it. Okay. Touch it. So it's very, as you can see, guys, she's very pale color. So we need to adjust more here. And I think I'm gonna need to have another brush, guys. It is smaller brush. I think I'm gonna use a round brush. The number 2 round brush here. I'll try this one. Okay. But I'm going to use the smallest brush first. It is the liner brush. So I am using the same color, guys, in the eyes here. There. The eyes is very small. It's hard to add details. And I'll be using a darker tone here. There. Okay. Sorry, guys. And on the lips, guys, I'm gonna put some brown color. Let's put more dark tones here. There. And some red color, guys, here. And some white. Okay. We need to put some color on the so I'll be using this color here, the grayish color for the mouth. Or for the teeth, guys. There. And some dark tone. Let's use this dark here. The hard part, guys, in painting a small object or something like this is that it's very hard to create the details. So actually, guys, I'm having some difficulty in painting this one because it's very small. I can't hardly see the details. So I am mixing some dark tone here. So I'm going to put some black on the eyes. There. One on the eyebrow first. Touch it. Then I think I'm going to add some dark tones on the nose, so I'll be using the colors here. There. That's it. Some details here, some dark tones. And actually, guys, I am adding more dark tones now. So that's all you have to do, guys. It's just making some trial and errors. Okay, so continue. There. I'm going to blend a little on this part. Some darker tones here. There. And also here. So all you have to do is just blend and blend and blend. There. Okay. Okay. And here. That's it. I'm not sure guys, but there's a little off on the proportion of the face. Yeah, there's something wrong with the proportion of the face guys, and I'm going to correct it. You should know that guys, every time you paint some figures or face or portraits, you should observe the proportion. And I mess up with the proportion here of the face. So here I'm going to move a little. There. And let's put some white highlights. So I'll be using the white here, then mix it with the existing brown. Here, the eye bag. There. Another detail on the eye bag here. Another highlights here. There. And here. There. We should do it carefully guys, so that you need to avoid some more mistakes. There. That's it. I'm adding a little yellowish color. Yes. There. And here I'm going to adjust a little. There. And some highlights here on the chin. I'm going to make it darker a little. That's it. Yeah, you can now see clearly the face of the woman, but I need more highlights, so I'll be using a white guys, more white. So we're gonna put some white on the nose to add some highlights on the nose. Yeah, there. And also on this part of the lips, there. And here in the eyes, and also here. There. And of course on the eyes guys, gonna put some reflection, just that small dots there to make it more realistic. Yeah. Okay, I think this tutorial guys will take me until 2 hours. Not really sure. There. So I can now see clearly the details of the face. And here you're gonna put some highlights. And on the chin here. There. Okay. That's it. And I'm going to add some pinkish tone guys on the face. So I'll be using the red here with some white. So let's put some pinkish tone here. There. Just gonna put some blush on her cheek. There. There. Yeah. That's more like it. And I think I'm not sure guys. Yeah, I need to use this brush, the round brush. Okay, so I'll be adding some yellow color guys on this dark tone here. Dark brown. I mean the dark brown. Add more yellow. And let's put it on this there. There, here. On the neck part. There. You can blend using your fingers. And I'll be mixing more dark tones. I'll be using the plain raw umber. There. I think it's just too dark, so I'll be mixing with other tones, other color, with other brown. There. Yeah. Actually, guess the face just took me 2 hours, oh, an hour. And let's put more dark tone here. So I'll be shading some more. So just glaze it, guys. There. There. Okay. About that. So I think I'll leave that way the face. Yeah, maybe I just have to blend more or add more tones, so I'll be using this brown. There. More dark tone. Some more white. A lighter color. And it's going to retouch this part there. Okay, the eyes part. And I'll be using the liner brush for more details on the face. There. There. Yeah. And I'm gonna start putting some details on the straw hat, guys. I'll be using the same brush, the liner brush, and I'll be mixing it with red, the brown, yeah, the raw umber with some yellow. So let's put some details, something like this. There. So just follow the circle, guys, or the edge of the straw hat. Using the small brush or the liner brush. Okay, I'll add more thickness. Then we're gonna put some details. I'll be using some more dark. So let's put some lines here, guys, something like this. There. Another line here, the inner part, and here, and also here. There. Now let's start adding some more details, something like this. Just follow what I'm doing, guys. Just crisscross. Okay. There. Just do it slowly, guys, to create the details. That's it. And again guys, just crisscross there. There, that's it. Okay, that's it guys. So it took me almost 1 hour for just the head. Yeah, for just the head guys. So I'll be adding the head part of the straw hat. So I'll be using the same tone here. There. That's it. Okay. So we have now the face. Okay, so it looks okay for me. Yeah.